Bakit nga ba healthcare account ang sinasabi nilang safe choice sa BPO? Lalo na kung ang hanap mo ay work-life balance, professional na kausap, at less stress, healthcare talaga ang go-to ng marami. Pero real talk, hindi rin to perfect. Sa healthcare, you usually handle patients, providers, at insurance reps. Pag member or patient, expect mo irate. Pero pag sa provider ka nilagay, hayahayang buhay. That's true. Kasi sa mga doctors, nurses, or admin staff ang kausap mo, mas kalmado, mas professional. Pero kung sa patient side ka, yes, may mga irate talaga, lalo na kapag delay ang services or may issues sa coverage. Do you need to have medical background pa ba sa healthcare account? Hindi kailangan. Kasi BPO training will equip you. May mga terms lang na kailangan kabisituhin over time, pero hindi siya kasing hirap ng iniisip mo. Kung kaya mo ang basic call flow, kaya mo rin to. How about incentives and salary? Malaki ba ang bigayan dito? Most healthcare accounts offer competitive base pay and yes, may incentives, lalo na sa productivity and quality. Hindi siya nga lang kasing taas ng sales-heavy accounts pero steady and reliable siya. Mas bagay sa gustong long-term and consistent. Masaya ang healthcare, not until buhusan ka ng claims. Yes, totoo rin yan. Claims processing can be a beast, pero hindi lahat ng healthcare accounts yan ang hawak. So always ask the interviewer kung voice, non-voice, or claims heavy ba yung role. So if you're looking for something stable, structured, and professional, healthcare account is a strong choice. And if you want help for finding the right one, Medacom is here. We'll guide you from application to deployment.